But if you close your eyes, أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا
Never mind, I will find someone like you.
So Lexi's just caught herself a massive fish. Been here for like 2 hours just catching nothing but small fish. And she's got herself like a fucking 3 kilo thing.
I catch it with proud of me. I just feel something catch my bait very fast, like this.
Uh-oh, they're gonna attack. Nice. So this is my friend Addimas's father's place, and he's got like all these different fish ponds. But the last one we were in had the big ones, and we've been fishing for like 2 hours getting nothing but like tiny ass ones like the size of my hand. But she got the massive one.
Yeah.
You want a chicken feet?
Whatever.
Want a chicken feet?
Watching it, the chicken finger. Big.
3 second roll. Some egg, chicken, and noodle mixed with everything.
Yeah, put more in it. All the spicy.
So the Indonesian government loves to charge tourists fucking 10 times the normal price.
Yeah.
They wanted $18.
And they didn't
Per
put
person.
any sign.
No, they have like a little fucking booklet with all the prices.
Okay.
And it's just ridiculous. So we decided to just sneak in.
So
We're here at Benang Klang Bu, I think you pronounce it. We avoided the ticket, which was extortion. A lot of Southeast Asian countries like to do. They like to extort foreigners and charge them like 10 times the normal price. So the entrance was $15, originally $18. When you're traveling on a budget, this is just not possible. Considering I'm traveling on like less than $20 a day, I'll have no money left just from a waterfall. You're trying to save money so you can see more places. You don't want to spend $100 in one day on 3 attractions. It's ridiculous. Last time I was here, I snuck into the Bora Bora temple, which was like $20 US dollars. And I couldn't believe it. Like, if I paid for every temple and place I went that day, I would have spent over $100 US dollars. That's like a week's worth of travel in one day, just on entrance fees. Not even on anything else. If you're trying to travel a country on $500 fucking dollars a day, a month, it's not possible. Here we got some boyfriends of Instagram right here. Getting the girlfriend's Instagram photos, like a good little cuck. Good job, mate, good job. Well, it's pretty cool though. Benang Stokkel.
Okay.
This is
The
like,
second one. We're gonna go there.
I'm hoping it's on the way.
Mm.